In this Gopinion review, I am going to be showing you if you can make money by filling out surveys on this platform. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I am going to show you if Gopinion is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, softwares and courses. If you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month 100% free from your home, then just click that link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. I have reviewed countless ways to make money on this channel, including various survey websites. Some are great, some are not so much, and some are straight up scams. Gopinion is in our spotlight today, so let's see if it's worth your time and effort. Gopinion is a legitimate survey website operating globally. After signing up, you will complete a user profile, allowing the platform to better understand your preferences. You will then access surveys in your member area, and these surveys typically take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Now let's just talk about the payouts. Gopinion offers payment in the form of gift cards, PayPal and even cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin and USDT. But here's the catch, the minimum withdrawal threshold is $15. Before you cash out, you will earn coins for each survey completed. Roughly 1000 coins equate to $1. Most surveys on Gopinion pay out between 180 and 410 coins, which translates 18 cents to 41 cents per survey. This is on the lower end of the scale, as most surveys websites pay anywhere from 10 cents to $2 per survey. While Gopinion app is a legitimate platform, it has some limitation. One significant issue is the availability of surveys. Initially, you might see a few, but they tend to decrease over time. This makes it challenging to reach the $15 threshold, given the relatively low payout per survey. Recent reviews on Google Play Store reveal a common problem: difficulty getting paid. Some users report that their gift card requests were delayed or cancelled, leading to frustrations. Others encountered issues with the survey interface itself. In conclusion, while Gopinion is a legitimate survey website, it may not be the best option for those looking to make a substantial income online. The lower survey payouts and the reported issues with payments make it less appealing. If you're considering trying out, then please proceed with caution. To be honest, if you're online, you should be earning at least $5,000 to $10,000 or more per month. If you understand where to look and how to learn a high income skill set. And after being online for over 15 years, I still think the best way for a beginner to get to $5,000 to $10,000 is only with this one strategy. If you want to check that out, then click that link below. Also, if you have had experience with Gopinion, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and helpful content. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.